Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with PS, the channel where we make coding simple and fun. In today's video, we're diving into functions in Python, one of the most important building blocks for writing reusable clean code. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for data science projects, this one's for you. So, what is a function? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps you avoid repetition and keep code organized. Think of it like a mini program inside your main code, and you give it input, it gives you output. So let's get started and hop on to VS Code and let's learn about the syntax of a function. Okay, now let's hop on to creating a function. Define is the keyword that is used to create the function, and let's give it a name to the function. You can make it anything, greeting. Here the parameters go inside the brackets and the colon for the body of the function, so you can write anything like hello, and to call the function we just have to write greeting, and that's it. It's gonna run this function, this particular function, just like this, hello. You can see it down below. So coming to the next part with parameters, let's define a function, addition, and give the parameters a comma b for it, and then the colon, then the main body. We're gonna return, just add these numbers, just a basic function. So now we can also store the result of the sum in a variable, and I'm gonna name the variable result, as you can see, and I'm just gonna type in the function's name and give out the parameters for it, 5,4, which should be 9, and then I'm gonna print out the result for it. Okay, let's just save it and let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, the number is 9. So this is how we make a function with parameters. Okay, now let's hop on to the next one. So this is a function. Define subtract is the name. This is the name for the function, and this is the keyword that is used to make the function, and a comma b are the parameters inside this, and it's returning a minus b. So in the f1.py we learned how to store the result in a variable result and then printing the result, and here we can also print the result without storing it in a variable. So this can be also done. So define subtract a minus b, print subtract a, so it's gonna return 5, as you can see around there. So now let's make a recursion function. Let's make a factorial function. I'm gonna take the parameters as n and name the function fact, and inside it we're just gonna take if n equals to 1, return 1, because you want to return 1, or else you can return n into, this is a recursion, so we're gonna type faq, yeah, and n minus 1. Okay, now let's print this. Let's take in 4, save it, and it gives us 24. So the factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So how it works, let's try a dry run. So 2 into factorial 1, factorial 1 is 1, so 2 into 1 2, then it gives out, goes to factorial 2, so 3 2s are 6, then this 6 goes to over here, 4 into 6, 24, and this gives out the value for 24. Okay, so this is how it works. If someone wants factorial 3, so it's gonna multiply with 3 into factorial 2, then it's gonna multiply 3 into 2 into factorial 1, then function 0, and this is store in the function and returned 6 for factorial 3. Like if it was 3, it's gonna return 6 right over here. So that's how recursion works. So that's it for this video. We covered what functions are, how to use parameters, return values, and more. In the next video we'll use functions inside a small project. Stay tuned. If this helped you in any way, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Thank you. See you in the next one.